Hey, I was just going to show you real quick what I was talking about on this website. If you look right here, one, this should be a call to action. You shouldn't have these sliders and stuff. It's just confusing and it looks like advertising. The logo, I would go with a simple logo across here because the logo is confusing too. You've got this information is fine, but like none of these links here work. If you click on these, they don't work. The this is what I was talking about. If you come in here, like for the logo right here, what I did was one, the colors, the red is not that red kind of build makes you anxious. It's not a good color when you're trying to convey or to sell something. So I changed this to blue. I changed the logo to just be a simple brandable logo that just says what the website name is. So this was just confusing. And then I put one image across here and I put, get started, so that if they click get started, then that of course gets you started. That takes you to a contact page. I put, I laid this page out a little bit different. I set up a blog because the blog will feed the AIs, it feeds the search engines, it allows you to get traffic from the social media sites, and you can even feed the blog into the social media sites. I added a solar calculator on here so that you're able to pick the wherever you're at, say Armenia, you put the wattage down that you've got, and you put the 5.0, and then you hit the calculate, and it figures out the wattage, how much money it's going to cost you, what you're saving, and everything else. I added the why solar so that this kind of explains why you should go with solar. I set this up so you've got solar plans, and these colors and all still need to be worked on. I mean, this was just thrown together kind of quick right here, but this gives you an idea of what I was talking about. So, and then each one of these is also a page. So if you come across here, each one of these explains why you should have which the water image isn't very good. But you've got your power plant, you've got your storage thing, and so each one's got its own custom image. You've got your cars, which the car is kind of zoomed in too close. I think the boats is done the same way. It's zoomed in a little too close. But this just gives you an idea of what I was talking about. You've got the cost-effective solutions, the battery storage. If you click on these, they should work as well. Nope, that goes to the... So I guess I didn't set those up to go to a page. But it kind of gives you an idea of what I was talking about as far as the design goes. Also, if you look at your website, not only do these links right here not work or go anywhere, and you need that social proof also. You need to have a LinkedIn page, a Facebook, a YouTube, and Twitter, and all this stuff to help build trust in the website as well. But like the contact page goes to a blank page. These pages worked, I think. But anyway, it's just... I was thinking you could design it and make it look a little better than what I think. These are the same links here that are up here, right? Yep. So these are just the same links that are in this top menu. But also, if you look, one, it's got coding errors. I would fix all the errors just so you don't have errors. It's also got, this is for ADA compliance, which doesn't really matter in Colombia, but if somebody's using a device, or if somebody can't, if they've got a hearing problem or seeing problem or something else, this is going to affect their ability to use the website. You're not going to get fined and sued like you would in the U.S., but it does affect their ability to use it. And also, this has to be under 1 second. For every second increase in the content paint right here, this first one right here has to be under a second. For Google, this is Google's tool here. For Google to be able to spider the website, see the content and everything else, this has to be under 2.5 seconds. And that's for Google to be able to, that's a ranking penalty. So Google's not going to rank this website. This prevents Google from finding the pages, and this prevents Google from ranking it. And you've got Walmart that said that they saw a 2% increase per second. So every second they improved their website load time, they saw a 2% increase. Mophie said that they saw a 1.11% increase per millisecond. Cook said they saw a 7% increase per 850 milliseconds. Amazon said for every 100 millisecond improvement in load times, they saw a 1% increase in sales. Google said it was 7% per 100 milliseconds. So every 100 millisecond improvement, they said a website should see a 7% increase in sales. And Google also did a study that showed if this right here is at 3 seconds, yours is at 8.9, but at 3 seconds you lose 53% of your traffic. And the reason they did that study was because people were complaining about people bouncing off their websites. So that's what I was talking about on the web. The website just, it hurts your credibility when you're trying to do something, because one is not finished, and the red color is not the color you want to. And this video right here doesn't work either. You don't have the images don't have real people. I mean, it's just it hurts your credibility when you're trying to sell something. And that's why I just threw this website together to kind of give you an idea. And I think I did a test on mine somewhere, but I don't know where it was at. But that just gives you an idea of what I was looking at when I was doing that stuff. But this right here loads in 0.8 milliseconds. Right now it might have a couple little coding errors on it because I just threw it together. But when it's set up, it will load in 0.8 milliseconds for the first content pane, and fully loaded, and it's ADA compliant. It doesn't have any errors in the code, and this is done in Django, so this is a custom coded website. And also your SEO on this website is not set up correctly. If you come in here and you look at your title tag, what you want to have is your main keyword here, and then maybe have, you can put this at the end, you can put the name at the end, but at the beginning, the first thing Google sees when they come to the website is going to be that title tag, and you want it to tell Google exactly what it is you're trying to do. But anyway, this is just a quick video to show you what I was talking about when I was looking at that stuff.